Jet, get away from the snake. Keep right away. Jet, get off your bike.
I'll run over it.
No, don't. Leave it alone.
Jesus
Yep.
Christ.
Just arrived down here at Dicky Beach. There's actually a decent sized brown snake in the skate bowl, so it's actually fallen in. He feels like he's cornered in here. But what I might even do, sometimes in this situation you don't even have to pick him up. I'll often just look for somewhere to hide. So he's been in here for a little bit. It's probably nice and warm. You watch
Dad, what
this.
if it jumps out of the bag?
So all he wants is shelter. So I didn't even have to touch him. All I did is put that down, and he's probably been looking for shelter for the last half hour since he's been stuck in here. How good's that, eh? Like a train one.
Your job's easy.
I wish it was that easy every time. This brown snake's pretty keen to get back into the bush. Stuck in a skate bowl. Here you go, buddy. There you go.